Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We are continuing to provide feedback, commentary, opinions on multiple documents that were released for the first time by the Moscow Police Department on July 23rd, 2025, regarding their investigation into the crimes that occurred at 1122 King Road on November 13th, 2022. A document I would like to call to your attention at this time is document or sequence number 118. This is one of the what appears to be rare documents that were authored by then Chief James Fry. This is dated January 11th, 2023, and it recalls activities that occurred on December 7th, 2022. And per the narrative here, it states as follows. On December 7th, 2022, at approximately 10 a.m., Lieutenant Mooney and I packed up personal belongings from Xana and Ethan's room and personal belongings from Madison's room. Captain Lanier, Captain Barrett, Captain Dallinger, Detective Vargas, and administrative assistant, and the name is redacted here, helped box up personal items from the 1122 King Road residence. Lieutenant Mooney and I wore protective gloves and shoe booties, which changed out after completion of Xana's room prior to going into Madison's room. I then left the residence to rent a U-Haul truck. After loading the items into the truck, I drove the vehicle to the secure storage garage at the Moscow City shop. All listed above individuals unpacked the truck into the secured storage garage where they were kept prior to releasing them to family members. And this is signed by Chief James Fry, January 11th, 2023, and reviewed by Captain Anthony Dallinger, January 11th, 2023. If I could add a few comments here, ladies and gentlemen, pure opinions first. Chief James Fry was, along with Captain Lanier, the what it appeared to be face of the Moscow Police Department during the investigatory stage prior to Mr. Kohberger's arrest. It was either Chief Fry or Captain Lanier or both who hosted the various press conferences that were given prior to Mr. Kohberger's arrest, or who gave an occasional interview to members of the mass media prior to his arrest. Chief James Fry was the chief of police at the Moscow Police Department until his retirement. And then he was succeeded by Captain Anthony Dallinger, who is the current chief of police in Moscow. This issue of the chief of police renting a U-Haul truck, backing it up into the crime scene, and moving items out of the crime scene even before anyone was charged with the crime, and any defense attorney could have objected to having anything moved out of the crime scene, was somewhat of a controversial issue. And then finally, we have learned through our examination of these documents at least two items that may have been taken out of the house during this time inappropriately. One was a pink and green jacket that was thought to belong to one of the surviving roommates. It did not. And for some reason, the defense decided to test that jacket. We still don't know why or what those tests might have yielded. And then the issue of an Apple Watch that had been packed up and returned to Kaylee's family. If you have any thoughts or comments regarding this matter, please leave them here. And until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.